today is day 5 of 12 of our RV camper around Croatia, Italy, and Slovenia.
Today we are going out and exploring Ljubljana to see everything you should see in one day. We have 4 things that we need to see today. The first one we're going to is called Tivoli Park. Second, we're going to be going to the Dragon Bridge. The third thing is going to be a church, and it's called St. Nicholas Church. And last but not least, we will be going to the Ljubljana Castle.
So let me tell you a little bit about the City of Dragons. Good afternoon and welcome to day 5 of 12 of our RV camper through Croatia, Italy, and Slovenia. And today we are in Ljubljana, Slovenia. Today our goal is to see as much as we can in Ljubljana city, and we have fun things like going to the castle, eating good Slovenian food, and doing all the things today. But we have a lot to cover today, so let's get to it.
Got the card, 2 people round trip, bada boom, bada bang. If you return this, you get €1 back.
Whoa.
All right, now that we have made it into the city center, we have 4 things that we need to see today. The first one we're going to is called Tivoli Park. Now let's go check this park out because it looks so beautiful. Best photo of all time. Epic.
So I actually have been to Slovenia. 13 years ago, I came to Slovenia to meet up with some of my friends here, and it was like before Slovenia was even like a popular place to visit. But we did come to Ljubljana for like an hour and a half, and I remember loving Ljubljana, like thinking that this was such a cool city. So ever since then, Nick and I have now been together for 10 years, and for 10 years I've been telling him that I want to come back here with him.
It is so nice down here. This street, I don't know what street we're on, but I feel like we're in the middle of the city center area. So a first impression I have of Ljubljana is that it is very, very clean. Everywhere we have been has just been immaculately clean. No gum, no stains on the ground. This city is absolutely beautiful.
This is another time where I feel like I'm on a movie set. Do you see this street? I feel like I'm on the Warner Brothers site in a movie or a TV show. Like, look behind me. You know what would be like so perfect for this? Okay, it feels like I'm in a painting and I need an ice cream cone. Like, doesn't that sound so perfect for like these blue skies and like these peach color buildings and the cobblestone street? Doesn't like a photo with an ice cream cone? I love this. So we turned down this street, which parallels the water. So you can see the water and it's absolutely beautiful. But this street is hopping, and it looks like this is where all the bars are, outdoor cafes. I also bet at nighttime, this is a blast. Nick and I love to do nightlife videos, and I wish that we were here long enough to be able to do one because this looks like it would be a party. Oh my goodness, we're just coming across the Lovelock Bridge. You see that? Remember when we were saying though that everything is like structured and organized here in Slovenia and like clean? Even these locks are like perfectly structured and cleaned.
We are almost to the Dragon Bridge, but from here it looks pretty cool, so let's go check it out.
So Ljubljana is known as the City of Dragons, and the reason is because apparently there is a Greek mythology hero called Jason, of all names. Apparently, I laughed when I read that on Google. He was the founder of Ljubljana, Slovenia. So we went to this lake nearby Ljubljana called Ljubljana, and the lake apparently had a dragon that was dwelling in it. Well, because Jason was a hero, a Greek hero, he defeated the dragons and then came to Ljubljana and founded this city. So this city is protected by dragons because he protected the city by the dragon. That is the story of why Ljubljana is the city of dragons and why these dragon bridges are like popular. On this dragon bridge, there are 4 dragons. Apparently also it is thought to be that the reason why like dragons guard castles and stuff is because of this city as well. The dragons are here and the castle, the Ljubljana Castle, is right up there. Some fun facts about Ljubljana. But now it's raining somehow. It was so beautiful earlier and I'm like feeling raindrops, so we need to get crossing the bridge.
Raindrops are falling on my head.
Oh my gosh.
But you saw how blue and beautiful it was earlier? And now we have like hail-sized rain coming down. So we're gonna hide out for a minute, try and make our way to the church because I feel like that's a safe haven in many ways, I guess.
It is now pouring. And we're literally standing right in front of the St. Nicholas Church. It's supposed to rain like the whole rest of the day.
So to fast forward, I hopped in that church for like 2 minutes. I went inside and it was so silent, like not one person was talking. I wanted to be respectful, I didn't want to say anything on the inside, but I just took a bunch of B-roll and ran back out. So from what I read earlier, is I read that there has been a church in that exact spot since the Roman Empire era. And then this church was built in like 1701-ish, we'll say, within a few years, and this church has been there ever since. So that's kind of an interesting fact, and it's called St. Nicholas Church. That's why I wanted to go in. But we're about to go get a dumpling. It is still pouring.
So we decided to stop off while it was raining and try some local foods, which is a moji strukli, I think is what it's called. And it's a traditional Slovenian dumpling. Essentially what it is like a yeast pastry with like fillings, could be savory or sweet, and then it's like rolled. It almost looks like a pastry more than anything else, but we did get 1 savory one and 2 sweet ones. We got a vegetable savory one, and then we got a lemon and a mango yogurt. We're at a place called My Dumplings of Slovenia, and we were trying to find a place that was close by and had local food. So this is what we found. I'm gonna try the savory one first. It almost looks like a brown sugar or something on top of. Let's try it. It looks like maybe vegetables and cheese. I don't even know how to describe that. It almost tastes like a very thin wheat crepe that is like wrapped in maybe like cottage cheese. It's very interesting. It's not really what I was expecting. I mean, I don't really know what I was expecting, but like it feels like a very healthy dumpling, I guess is the best way to put it.
It smells like mangoes. It's not overly sweet at all, I think because of the dough. It's like if mango LaCroix was a food, it would be this. It's like food with like a hint of mango. It's like right here on the back. Tastes like a natural dessert without pounds of sugar. You a fan? We decided we're gonna brave it and we're gonna go to the funicular to go to the castle. It's not that far from here, and we're here. We're only here for one day, so I feel like we have to go. This is like the #1 thing that you do here. And the thunder is going, but we're right around the corner, so let's check it out.
32 euros. May I ask where do you come from?
Excuse me?
Where do you come from?
The United States?
Thank you.
I think it was actually way better that it was raining outside because no one was in there.
But the price of the ticket was 16 euros each for the funicular and for the castle. You can just pay for the funicular, I think it was €3 like each way or whatever, but you want to go to the castle. Like you come up here to go to the castle. Creepy.
Wow.
I don't know if you can see me, but it just got real creepy real fast. This is apparently the castle courtyard. There's literally no one here. So definitely come when it's raining.
Creepier. Okay, the music is freaking me out.
The music is creepy. It's like a horror movie.
Apparently, the Ljubljana Castle was built in the 11th and then rebuilt in the 12th century. That's like the fortress, and the castle sits at the top of the hill in Ljubljana. But most of the actual architecture and like buildings were actually created in the 14th and 15th century, they think. The grounds were established, and like some of these kinds of places were built in the 11th or 12th century.
Wow. We're going to the viewing tower, and we think it closes at 6, and it's 6:05, so let's go. Wow, it just literally keeps going. So there are like stop-off points. You can like get a little glimpse. But we're going to the top. Whew. Now that I'm drenched in sweat, because I went from being rained on to being drenched in sweat, but this is so cool because we're the only people up here. Like no one else. Even like in the main courtyard area right here, just us. We're gonna stay here until we get kicked out. They have to let us down, right? I mean, they have to let us down, right?
It's raining so hard out there. But I think we're gonna go take the funicular back down. We've been up here for about an hour, which is like perfect. I think if it was nice out, we would spend a lot more time up here, but it's a lot more crowded over in this area because everyone's like hiding from the rain.
But I think everything we did today was about as much as you should do in one day. You know, take it slow, see all the things, definitely go to the castle, rain or shine. I mean, I would have recommended it either way.
Today was a very unexpected day. We really enjoyed Ljubljana and really wish that it had been better weather so that we could enjoy it even more. But it was an amazing like 7 hours out and about in Ljubljana, and we hope you enjoyed it as well. We still have so much left on this RV camper adventure, and we hope you join us as we go travel around this part of the world. Tomorrow we head from Ljubljana, Slovenia to a national park in Croatia. And on the way we're hoping that we can stop off on a smaller town and drink some wine in the wine region here in Slovenia on our way there, since it is a long drive. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. And until next time, we will see you on the go. Nick is telling me I have to stay in the shade. Hold on, let me get in the shade. Hold on. And for 10 years, I've been telling him, oh my God,
What was that?
I don't know what that was, but it was, that's how I feel right now. Quick beer break. Oh, you want me to cheer? I thought you just said you were gonna cheers me. Are you gonna cheers me? Okay, okay. Quick beer break.
Quick beer break. What?
But Jason is a Greek mythological hero. Okay.
It's because it's beautiful, like me. Sammy will get me a look, so she knows.
And I guess they're made with buckwheat. Is that what it's called?
Oh, buckwheat.
Buckwheat. Can you see me? So